Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Odoo source code. Want to access Odoo source code for customization or development? Odoo is an open source platform, meaning you can download, modify and build on top of it. Now in this video I'll show you how to get the Odoo source code step by step. The first step is to install Git on your system. First, install Git if you haven't already. Now on Windows, download it from git. I'll write it right. Git slash scm.com and download Git from here. You can download this for Windows, or if you're using on Linux, just search for the code you want. As for the second step is to clone the Odoo repository from GitHub, and to do that, just open your terminal or command prompts and run git clone https://github.com/odoo/odoo.git, and this will download the entire Odoo source code into a folder named Odoo. The third step is to choose the Odoo version you need. Now by default, Git clones the latest version of Odoo. Now to get older version, switch branches using a code you can look for it in Google. The fourth step is to install dependencies and run Odoo. And to do that, just navigate to Odoo folder and install dependencies. For additional tips, always use a virtual environment to avoid conflicts with system packages, and if you need Enterprise Edition, you'll need an Odoo subscription, and use Git pull to keep your Odoo code updated. And that's it. That's how you get Odoo source code. Now you can start modifying and developing custom models for your business. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.